Right now I am on my way to Soggy Dry Lake. I'm on Bessemer Mine Road. I think I'm seeing the Soggy Dry Lake over there. Looks like there's a campground over there. Beautiful. A little bit hazy today, but nice. Temperature is 86. This looks like the campground here. There's even a restaurant there. Cool. People already camping. Nice. Now I am on the dry lake bed now. I need a drone. Oh, this is smooth. Lake bed is smooth. People four-wheeling over there. Now I'm near the northwestern end of the dry lake bed. I think I'd like to camp somewhere in the foothills. I'm trying to go up this road, trying to find a camping place. This looks like a pretty nice campsite. Got the hills. Nice. You can have a pretty nice view. People four-wheeling over there. You can see the dust. Take a look at what's over there in the hills. This would be a nice campsite. Changed my campsite to here, but it's beautiful. But I don't get any internet though. Found a spot with acceptable internet. There's a mountain. Got my privacy screens on. These are reflective. A lot of these desert plants are extremely prickly. If they get into your shoe, between your bare feet, hurts like hell. Okay, I got these Angula, A-N-G-U-L-A, window shades on. Let's see. You can let your window down and allow ventilation, yet no mosquito can get in there. I got on other window also, and also it give you some privacy. And on top of the sunroof, I got a net also. It's held down by magnets, allows ventilation, but no bugs. My chili is in the pot. Whoa, looks good. My bread right there. This is not roughing it. Chili bread. Good. Somewhere in the Mojave Desert. The sun is setting. Beautiful. Finish it with peanut butter sandwich. Good. More people are coming in. More people coming in. Okay, it is late now. I'm going to bed. So, see, these windows are covered by reflective. The sunroof is open. Okay. Good night. See you tomorrow. Okay. It is 7:48 in the morning. Just got up. Went to bed around 11 last night. So that's a good 9 hours sleep. Almost 9 hours. That was excellent. Slept very well. This down comforter was perfect because it did get kind of cool last night. Probably upper 50s. And I had my sunroof open and window open a little bit there. This was very comfortable. Slept very well. Now I gotta get up, cook, make some breakfast. So it is almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Saturday. Just got up. Slept 9 hours. Slept like a babe. Cool weather right now. Probably 60. People are already out there. Already doing off-roading. Forgot to turn off my camera, so totally ran out of battery. So I'm using my car's hooked to my car. But right now I'm cooking some eggs. Here's my scrambled eggs for breakfast. Here's my camp. Just cooked eggs. Now I have 12% power. Show you my neighbors over there. These people came in the middle of the night over here. Just came after I slept. Now over there, they were there a long time ago. Okay, ready to leave this camp. Clean out everything. Pack in, pack out. Leave it the way it was. Look at all these four-wheelers. This reminds me of the movie Mad Max. Getting my car washed now. I'm back at my man cave. Car has been washed and inside cleaned out. The bunk bed has been taken down. As good as new. As good as new. Thank you all for watching.